Welcome back to my kitchen, my friends. Today's recipe is one I recorded a while ago, and it's packed with Mediterranean flavors. Fried zucchini, eggplant, peppers, mozzarella, prosciutto cotto, all wrapped in a golden puff pastry. It's colorful, hearty, and absolutely delicious. Let me show you the ingredients and the simple steps that bring this dish to life. Ingredients that you'll need: 2 eggplants cut into cubes, 2 or 3 zucchini sliced. For seasoning, you will need salt, black pepper, as well as hot chili pepper flakes, and good olive oil. You will also need 2 tablespoons of basil pesto. You will also need 3 mozzarellas. Ingredients for the filling: 1 cup of cooked ham, 2 bell peppers sliced, sun-dried tomatoes, olives, capers, and a clove of garlic, and 1 onion. Also, you'll need breadcrumbs, as well as pecorino cheese. 1 sheet rectangular puff pastry. Add oil for frying to the pan. Fry zucchini slices until golden, and then remove and place them on a paper towel. In the same oil, fry the cubed eggplant until golden. Remove and place them on a paper towel as well. In the same pan, discard the frying oil and replace it with olive oil. Then add the onions and the whole garlic clove. Add the sliced bell peppers. Season with a pinch of salt and as well as black pepper. Hot pepper flakes if you like a bite of heat. Mix well and simmer for 5 minutes. Add the cubed prosciutto cotto and mix well. Add the olives. Add the capers. And the sun-dried tomatoes will join the party. Give everything a good mix and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. This is a very important step. Transfer the bell pepper mixture to a colander and let it cool so the excess oil can drip off. I like to have all the ingredients lined up, almost like an assembly line, so everything is easy to layer. I start off with the fried zucchini, the bell pepper mixture, the fried eggplant, the sliced mozzarella, the pesto, and the pecorino with the breadcrumbs. Pecorino cheese and breadcrumbs, mix the two together. Roll out the puff pastry with its own parchment paper. Lay the pastry vertically in front of you. In the center strip, spread the basil pesto. Spread a layer of the breadcrumbs pecorino mixture over the basil pesto. Next, arrange the fried zucchini slices in a vertical layer. Over the zucchini slices, add another sprinkle of breadcrumbs. Now I add the bell pepper and ham mixture on top. Now just look at those colors and all that flavor. Breadcrumbs in every layer help absorb the moisture. Next, I add the fresh mozzarella slices for a nice stringy pull. And for last, the fried cube eggplant goes on top. I'm cutting the right side of the pastry, but on screen it shows the left. After cutting the right side, I rotate the pastry so the left side is now facing me, and I repeat the same cuts along the side of the pastry. Then I start folding each strip over the filling, alternating from one side to the other. As the strips overlap, you'll see a beautiful braid forming all the way down the top. I realized I didn't have a pastry brush on hand, so I improvised with a small piece of parchment paper, and it worked perfectly to add the egg wash. Bake at 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes until the pastry is golden and crisp. And there you have it, another delicious recipe. If you enjoy cooking with me, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. It truly helps our little community grow one dish, one story, one memory at a time. See you in my next recipe. Ciao!